Welcome Escondido families and incoming ninth graders to the Escondido Union High School District, where we provide a wide variety of options for all students in grades 9 through 12 to explore their passions, collaborate with their peers, creatively problem solve, communicate effectively, all in a rich learning environment. Our mission in the Escondido Union High School District is to graduate every student prepared for college, career, and life through excellence in learning.
What's up, Jump Aboard? Dr. Martin Casas here, principal of San Pascual High School. Buenos dias, Jump Aboard. Dr. Martin Casas, director de San Pascual. Welcome to San Pascual High School. San Pascual has a storied tradition of academics, athletics, and extracurriculars. While we're really proud of our academic achievements, we're equally as proud of all the wonderful programs we have at San Pascual. We realize that high school is a time to explore your interests and explore your own brilliance. So take a second and explore our wonderful programs. Whether you're into dance, robotics, welding, wood, or ag, San Pascual has the program for you. We look forward to meeting you in person. Go Eagles!
Welcome to Orange Glen High School, home of the Patriots. We have several programs here that would really help support a student experience. We have Middle College, which allows students to take college credit courses during high school. We have AVID, which supports the growth of students getting into college. We have wonderful CTE programs and our sports programs, which include all students. We look forward to welcoming you here to Orange Glen High School.
Hi, future Cougars. I'm Dr. Lepe Ramirez, the proud principal of Escondido High School. Academically, our students can participate in more than 11 different CTE programs, more than 20 different advanced placement programs, and our dual enrollment program where students can earn college credit. Most recently, students can participate in our dual language immersion program. Socially, our kids can participate in more than 29 different competitive sports, our amazing dance and music programs where students can participate in marching band, folklorico, and mariachi. We look forward to having you join our 120-year-long and strong tradition of being loyal, strong, and true.
Hello, welcome to Del Lago Academy, Campus of Applied Sciences. My name is Ruth Helms, and I'm the principal at Del Lago. Del Lago Academy offers a unique 4-year science-based curriculum that provides our scholars with opportunities to participate in interdisciplinary projects, junior internships, and a chance to be a part of a village and cohort model that fosters a sense of relationships and builds a family. At Del Lago, scholars will also participate in a variety of ASB activities and can participate in clubs and sports. We are very excited to share our unique campus with you. We can't wait to meet you and learn more about you. Thank you.
Escondido Union High School District offers a unique program that gives students experience in professional fields.
Career Tech education is the way that we're going to prepare tomorrow's workforce.
Students choose one of 8 career pathways where they can learn skills that will help prepare them for their future. Students learn about what it takes to have a career in each pathway. Through hands-on lessons and self-driven projects, they get to experience what it's like to be a professional in their chosen field.
What you'll see is it's student-driven. The students come out here, they choose projects, they are the ones that do the whole thing. So if they grow plants out here, they'll be the ones that will grow them, they take care of them, they learn about the pest diseases, fertilizers, everything that goes with that project, and then they have to sell them. So they have to do the advertising, the marketing.
The students wind up doing a full set of house plans, starting at the beginning of the semester, designing a floor plan, then going through the step-by-step procedure of doing a foundation plan and a roof framing plan and the elevations for the structure and plot plan. So all of these various different elements that are a part of the architectural design process.
CTE classes partner with real-world companies and organizations to work on projects that are based on real problems that need real solutions.
We have a group that made a menu item for Uber Eats. They had 3 proteins in it and they called it Tres Amigos. Los Tres Amigos burrito is available through Uber Eats and Los Primos. We teach our students a level of professionalism that you won't get anywhere else, unless you go to culinary school. So that's what it's all about. It's about being professional. It's about communications, collaboration, problem solving. You look the part, you wear the chef jackets, and you are the part.
I think the best thing about CTE is it teaches kids skills that they can use whatever avenue they go in life. It teaches kids the skills that they need to be successful in whatever career they decide to go into.
There's a lot of hard skills that I teach in here, the basic woodworking, how to run through machines, how to safely work in a shop, and then there are a lot of soft skills that we teach, like interview skills, how to write a resume.
Not only do students gain skills through project-based learning, they get to earn professional-grade certifications that will set them apart on graduation.
Welding and fabrication is a 3-year course, a 3-year pathway. Second year is when they start earning certifications. Those certifications are nationally recognized certs from American Welding Society. Those certs really show that you have some base level skill. They really are a foot in the door.
Whether students choose to go directly into the workforce or go to college, the skills they learn in these classes give them a leg up in their next step after high school.
Vocational education has always been part of education, but a lot of people didn't understand. They always thought careers didn't mean going to college. But it needs to be the whole direction. If they're going to go to college, they should have a career in mind. They should know what they want to do. It's part of the stepping stone to finding success in their life.
You finished up doing the engineering and design pathway. You could transition to Palomar College or another junior college and potentially even be units ahead, because our courses are what we call articulated. So the students that take the pre-engineering and design class are actually getting 3 units of college credit while they take the class here.
We are articulated through Palomar College. So after being with our course for 2 years, you can skip their entry-level program. You automatically get credits.
For students, when they come into a career pathway, the goal is to get them excited about what they want to do when they grow up.
The College Career and Technical Education program prepares students for an enriching life after high school. Whether it's trade school, college, or entering the workforce, the CTE programs enable students to be competitive in the local and global economies of their future.
We invite you to learn more about our schools and discover the option that is best for you. Welcome to the Escondido Union High School District.